That's not fair. Yeah. Uh, mhm. With the starter match or with the buzzer? Okay. Mhm. Yeah, try the buzzer game with no sound. See if that helps. Huh. I need to go to bed at some point. 11:40. Ooh, I just got a gold doubloon. Yeah. Yep. Yep. So you can hear half the conversation. Um. Yeah, unless I posted in the guild. I mean, I can get the avatar. I actually had I don't remember. I might have gotten it with this one. I don't know. I guess, yeah, it's probably about the same. I don't know that there's really much of a difference other than the special effects and stuff. So, huh. I know there's one in that, um, yards. There's a garage sale or something where it's, you type doubloon, doubloon, doubloon or something. But that's a different game. But I don't know. The only one I know is the tornado one. But that probably was just the first game. Okay. Maybe I'm all in the corner. They're coming after me. What are you doing? Are you typing? You using Firefox? Oh. Yeah. I like it a lot. Mhm. With two accounts. Oh. You mean like two tabs? Oh, okay. When I did the Dr. Grumps avatar, I did that on Internet Explorer, and for some reason it never signed. I went back to the to Firefox again after I got the avatar, and it had never signed me out. It was strange. That's the only time I've ever seen that happen. Yeah, it is. But it's good. I wish it would do that. I guess I didn't actually check yet. Yes, it would. Well, I wasn't signed into the right account when I went to Internet Explorer, so I know I signed in there, but I didn't specifically check after, but I guess it. I said I guess I didn't specifically check after, but yeah. And now I got frozen because of it. I said, and now I got frozen because of it. Because I played a game on my side. that would be even worse. Yeah. Mm. There's more than one. It's a whole clan. Alright, I'm up to 900. That's probably enough to get a good idea, I guess. Okay. What is it? 2,500? Okay. Yeah, but that tail kept getting longer and longer. The score goes up. The same things happen. Well, no. I might run into them. Sometimes I, Which one are you doing? Which game are you playing? Oh. Yeah. I don't even know all the things. Hmm. There's, yeah, because there's too many things. I don't have any idea what's what. I knew with the first one, there's like 2 things to remember, and that's it. I haven't played it enough to even try to figure it out. Because I. um. Sandy? I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah. 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 Mhm. Mhm. No. That's just crazy. Oh, I almost died. Almost. He came pretty close. Because the balloon was really close to them, and rather than going to the other side of the screen and making them go all the way across, I took a chance and went close because it's faster. And there's a tornado. Now I gotta start all over. No, it just ate all the bombs. Organizing them. Yeah. No, it's just quicker like this. He's not letting me get it. Yep. It's lots quicker.